Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a Happy Mail, and this is from Rachael with Flip and Paint Art Design. Her name's Rachael from Flip and Paint Art Design. Great artist. She does wonderful techniques, a lot of content on her channel. You definitely want to check her out. I'll put the description below. But I gotta share these beautiful coasters I won from her. She actually gave out 3 prizes that day. There was a resin bowl, a trivet. I think Kari won the bowl and Tammy Time won the trivet, and I won the coasters. Look at these. They're gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at that nice thick corkboard she puts on there too. Look at these beautiful tiles. Oh my gosh. They are gorgeous. Look at those beautiful cells. And these colors, they're so pretty. The golds and the blues and turquoise and white. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at those cells popping up too. They are everywhere. It's loaded with gorgeous cells. There's another one. They're all beautiful. They are just so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. I just can't get over how beautiful. I love that gold. There's another one. I'm holding them over here so, as you know, I can zoom in because I still haven't got my light bulb back. I keep mentioning that. Look at the way this one sort of swirls up. I love that. It's gorgeous. So pretty. I'm trying to move it around so you can see it because it just, the gold in there, you can tell it's just shimmering with gold brilliance. It's so beautiful. I love these. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Rachael. These are just awesome. I don't know what to say about them. They are just, wow. I wish I could make them that pretty. Those are just gorgeous. You do fantastic art. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to say. They're just so pretty. Look at all those pretty cells and the different colors in there. It is gorgeous. So thank you so much, Rachael. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. And she threw, as you might be able to tell, I've got a candy in my mouth. She sent in threw in some Jolly Ranchers. And you know what these remind me of? This might tell you my age. They don't have them anymore. But they were like flat candies that were really flat, maybe a 1/4 inch thick and long, about this long, and sticks like this wide, this long, so, and this thick. And they had different flavors: green apple, watermelon, cherry, all the you know, strawberry. And they weren't called Jolly Ranchers. I can't remember what they were called, but I used to love them when I was a kid, back, you know, quite a long time ago. And these are just the same exact flavor. I bet you that if I actually researched it more, they just started putting them out in different form. These Jolly Ranchers, because they're identical. The flavor is perfect. So she included the candy, which was adorable and sweet. I love it. It brings me back to when I was a child. And then she threw in this beautiful Christmas ornament. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at those pretty little snowflakes in there. I don't know. It looks like she may have done this. This may be a resin piece that she did. I think it is. It's beautiful. I don't even know where you get those little snowflakes. I think she did this piece. You can look in from the side and see the snowflakes from the side too. It is so nice. She must have resined that. she must have a mold for this and made this ornament. It's gorgeous. Very beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, Rachel. It is just so pretty. Everything is just so very pretty. I love them all, and thank you so much. So, thank you for everyone joining me. Everyone have a great night. Please don't forget to check out Rachael with Flippin' Paint Art Design. Great artist. Check out her channel. I'll have her description below and her name in the description below. So everyone have a blessed day. God bless. Be safe and be happy. See you soon. Bye bye.